Have you ever had a great marketing idea strike when you were away from your desk? What if you could act on it right then and there, just by having a conversation? Today, we're going to show you how to connect ChatGPT directly into your ActiveCampaign account. This isn't just about linking two tools. It's about giving you the power to orchestrate your marketing from anywhere, turning your ideas into results with a team of AI agents ready to go to work for you. It's time for less busy work and more impact. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. So, what is the magic behind this? The connection is powered by the ActiveCampaign MCP server. Think of it as a secure bridge that allows trusted AI tools to connect directly to your account. It gives your AI secure access to your marketing data, allowing it to perform tests, retrieve information, and even provide insights based on real-time performance, all conversationally. You can create and manage contacts, add people to lists, apply tags, and even ask for insights on campaigns' performance. It puts you in control, lets you follow your instincts in the moment they spark. Now, let's get you set up. It's simple and available on all ActiveCampaign plans, and it only takes a minute. First, you will need a paid ChatGPT plan to enable this feature. If you are part of a larger team, make sure your account admin has approved new connections. Okay, in your ChatGPT account, head to your setting. Then you need to click into Apps and Connectors, scroll it down to find Advanced Settings. Here, you need to enable Developer Mode. This allows you to create custom connections. Next, open a new tab and log into your ActiveCampaign account. In ActiveCampaign, navigate to Settings and then click on the Developer section. And here you can find your remote MCP URL. This URL is specific to your account. Click Copy URL. Now head back over to ChatGPT. Once you click on Create to add a new connector, you can name this connector as ActiveCampaign and even add a personalized icon to it. And then paste the URL you just copied into the required field. You can click on Create. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Just click Allow, and that's it. ActiveCampaign is now secure connected, and you have an AI agent ready to help you orchestrate your marketing. Now that you are all set, whenever you want to use the ActiveCampaign connection, just start a new conversation, select the ActiveCampaign connector, and start prompting. Now for the fun parts. Let's put this to work. In this scenario, I'm a marketeer who needs to monitor the performance of my Welcome and Nurture series automation for my team. In here, once I prompt, it will pick it up all the stats I need to see its performance, so I can easily visualize how effective my automation is and share those results with my team. For the next example, I'm a business owner and I just met a possible customer at an event. I want to remember that they are interested in corporate event photography, follow up with them next week, and send them a thank you email. And by using a simple prompt, I can ask ChatGPT to do all those tasks for me. It's that simple, so I can focus on the big picture and let the AI do the rest. And the prompt capabilities don't stop just there. Let's say you are a marketing agency and you want to get your clients started quickly. I can simply ask ChatGPT to create multiple tags for me, all conversationally on the same tab, without the need of being juggling between multiple tags to create a simple task. And the AI gets to work and do it all for me. This is just the beginning. Think of the limitless possibilities. Because the MCP server connects to your unique data, you could ask it to analyze campaigns and tell you which one has the highest click rate true. The AI imagines new opportunities by validating what works with your audience. This is your chance to take leaps and find new creative ways to grow your business. So, get in there, test it out, and see what you can achieve while you orchestrate first. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.